You see me? My face. Hello. So we're going to be setting up the Zoom r16 recorder. And so this is how we do it. We need an 8 gig or something SD card. And I need to plug in the unit, which I'm going to do now. This unit can also act as what's called an interface if you're doing recording directly to your computer. But today we're going to be doing it just to right to the machine because it's a standalone recorder as well. So here's our recorder. We have a XLR cable. So we're going to turn the recorder on the back, come up close here, and take a look at the machine. So it's asking me to reset the date and that there's no card. So I'm going to put the card in. Clicks in place. We're good there. Project 1, enter. And then we're going to set up a microphone with channel 1 and we're going to put a guitar into it as well. So I'm going to put the XLR into jack 2 over here because jack 2 is for the microphone. This microphone requires phantom power, so I'm going to go into jack 5 actually because phantom power is on, and we're going to see if this is working. I'll turn it on again. There we go. On. All right. Now, you can stay there. You might as well stay on that side. I can rotate it that way. So this is the microphone we're going to be testing with. It's a simple, straightforward condenser microphone. So play. This is working. Good. Back. Now, so plug in the microphone. This microphone has a stand that we don't have it with us right now. And there we go. So phantom power is on. If you look here on channel 5, you'll be able to see how it's peaking there? See how it's peaking when I hit it? So you don't want that to be peaking. So if you have really loud noises, it will still peak. So you want it to be, put this in the record mode, and you'll see that this goes up and down. That's for how much you're getting of volume into this. And then if you have headphones, it would come out by listening to that. So this is how you set up each channel. And if you wanted to set up a guitar, you would take the guitar or the keyboard or whatever you're plugging in. You would take the patch cord and go into the high Z input here, which is on. And then you would plug in your instrument, a bass guitar or whatever, keyboard or whatever you want to put in here. And then you can see how it's peaking. So you don't want any red here. You just want 1 or 2 of the green bars. You never want it to go into the red. So I got to adjust this until it's right before the red when I play really hard, and then we're okay. And then so what you can do is turn the microphone up a little bit. So you hit record to enable the machine. The channels that you're recording to have the red lights on. The green lights you'll be listening to. The red you will be recording to. And you hit play again. And it records. Stop. And then stop that. Go back to the beginning. Put this in play mode. Play. And we should see 5. And that's it. And that's it. That's how you record. Okay, so now I've worked everything out where this is all working as it should. And over here, I'm just going to exit out of this. We're in, as you can see, project 1. If you want to do a new project, you hit project button, which is up at the top here. And then you go over here and you use the toggle. And you can go through new with these buttons here. New. So I'll pick new project, enter. You can change the name of it. You could say SPR, whatever you want. We'll just use that for now. Enter, set, continue, create, enter, loading. There, now we have a new project. So we're going to go over here, and as you can see, the red light is on number 5. That's where the microphone is coming in. So I'm going to do a 2-take recording of one recording on 5, and then I'm going to do a recording on 6 with another acoustic guitar by unplugging it and putting it over there. And later on, we can learn about swapping and things like that. But this will be the first step. So with this one here on, I'm going to record the acoustic guitar. And what I'm going to do is I have the microphone over here, which is usually on a stand, but there's the front of the microphone. So I'm just going to leave it like that, facing me. And I'm going to have the acoustic guitar running. And you basically hit record to get it ready, and then hit play. And as you can see over here, if you look at the meters here, you can see when I hit it, it goes up. So I'm going to do a recording, and I'm going to come right back with that. So I've got the music playing right now, and I'm going to stop this, and I'm going to go back to the beginning and hit play, and hopefully in this microphone here, we'll be able to hear. I'm holding the headset up to the microphone. So this is the acoustic guitar that I just got going. And as you can see, it's going through track 5 with the red light flashing on it. There's so much light there, and it's hard to see, but the green, there we go. That's the acoustic guitar. So now we just finished doing the recording in input 5, and we're going to put a recording in input 6 with the other tracks. I'm going to turn that track off to play, put this track enabled, completely off, unplug this, and plug it into number 6. Given it's the same microphone. So now we've got the input in input 6. We're going to turn the track on with the red light on. That means it's recording. This is what we're going to be hearing. This one we can listen to at the same time. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be playing along another guitar part with that same guitar part so we can hear them together. So I'm going to do that now. Okay, so I just did the recording, and just to review, in order to record, you hit the record button, enable button, right? Oh, you have to have a track turned on. So you hit the record enable button, and you'll see it turn red, and then you hit play, and it starts to record. So we're not going to do that. I'm going to turn this back off, put it into play mode. Now we're going to play back and hear what it is that I just played, and going into the microphone like that seems to work, so we're just going to do that now. So I'm just going to hit play. Now I'm going to hold this up here. So these are the 2 tracks that we have going. We have the, you see the 2 green there? So we have tracks 5 and 6 that are going. And we just repeat that on all the tracks. Stop this, go back to the beginning, and that's basically it. So we have all the commands over here. The inputs are up here. The phantom microphone can only work in 5 or 6. So these are the 2 that you would most likely have your voice going into. And then the piano would go into 1 or 2 or 3 or any of those with the input jack. And that's it.